Have you received your AUPShine student activation email? Great! This is your first step into experiencing AUPShine, your one-stop shop digital solution in your student life here at AUP. This video will guide you through activating your AUPShine student account, as well as walking you through the main features of your AUPShine dashboard. Step 1. Check your email. Open the email sent to you. It contains the website link, your assigned account, and your one-time password. Step 2. Access the website. Click the provided link to open the web application. Step 3. Sign in. Enter your assigned account, one-time password, and the code, then select Sign in. Step 4. Set a new password. For security, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and continue. Step 5. Log in again. Once updated, log in again using your account and new password. And now, you are directed to your dashboard, where you can access all features and services like My Payments, Campus Residence, Enlistment, and different services like scholarships, profile maintenance, service tickets to trigger various finance services, and academic services. Your AUPShine account is now successfully activated. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use the new AUPShine.